Bubba Chucks, back again. Wanted to make a quick video. Talking about, I guess, what makes Junipers so majestic. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you want to. Junipers. Once upon a time, parents burned junipers during childbirth in the belief that its smoke prevented the fairies from substituting a changeling for their newborn baby. And in the Middle Ages, people thought juniper smoke gave protection against diseases such as leprosy and the plague. They remain, linked, I guess, to spirits to this day. But they're spirits of a different nature. They're very aromatic, the cones of this evergreen shrub or tree. It's the primary source of the flavor in gin. Believe that? Cooks even use the berries to flavor game. Stuffings. There's a squirrel in this tree. It's dropping all of these nuts on me. I'm getting quite upset. Where's my rifle when I need it? Just kidding. That thing is active. Wow. Back at it. Junipers, Indians, American Indians, they believed that a tea of juniper twigs cured stomach aches and colds. They applied hot packs of twigs and boiled berries, to sores and aches. They even used the berries as a diuretic to prevent, hemorrhaging, even blood tonics. Some people even believe you can use them to, I guess, relieve gas. Passing gas. Worms, a remedy for worms and dropsy. A urinary antiseptic. Junipers. Yeah. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.